Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create another cartoon character, another very easy and very simple cartoon character in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is our final render. Let me save this render first. I'm going to save this as JPG. So this is our cute little character, cartoon character model in Blender. So I hope you like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.